I love my bike, and I love my scooter. My bike enabled me to maneuver through traffic, and my scooter allowed me to get to where I need to be safely and comfortably. But I wanted something that would do both, so we developed the Gigabike Groove. Part bike, part scooter, the most powerful, advanced, and affordable electric bike in the world. I wanted the agility of a bike, but with the commuting power of a scooter. I designed it for today's world with the perfect combination of comfort, safety, and power. The idea was to create a vehicle that would redefine society's opinion. With power and simplicity, we wanted a scooter that people would be proud of. So we designed the Gigabike Groove with speed and range in mind. We equipped it with the most commercially powerful 750-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, giving it an amazing 35-mile range, while making sure that our riders are always safe. We fitted it with a super bright LED headlight and LED turn signals, and then added the superior stopping power of a hydraulic brake system, making it the most safety-conscious e-bike on the market. We wanted to make sure that our riders would be proud to ride the Gigabike Groove, so we focused on a modern style that's both appealing and approachable. With the fully functional pedals and a 20-mile-per-hour top speed, there's no license, no registration, and no insurance to hassle with. We want our riders of all levels to feel like a pro, like they can go anywhere on a reliable, affordable scooter and be proud to take it on commutes. We want to keep our riders on the road longer, safer, and most importantly, having fun.